In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Microsoft Excel app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is I'm going to show you what the font size is currently set to inside Microsoft Excel. So it's set to this. So in order to make it larger and make it easier to read, I'm going to head back. Then I'm going to head over to my settings. Now, once I'm inside settings, I'm going to navigate lower and click into display. Once I'm inside display, I'm going to navigate lower again and then tap into font size and style. And at the bottom of the page, you will see a slider. If I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And likewise, if I move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So just choose where you want that slider to be. Because we want to make it large, I'm going to keep it near the right hand side of the page here. And if I go back to Microsoft Excel, it's going to increase my font size. If it doesn't change it straight away, what you need to do is close Excel and then reopen it. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So here we go. I've just closed Excel and reopened it, and it's going to make my font size to the size I've chose on that slider back inside settings. So you have a play around with that slider and choose what size you want your font size to be.